Alright, so here I am with another unboxing video. I don't have any idea what's in this. I was given a heads up that it was going to come because my good friend Matt sent it to me, and I don't know what's in it, so we all get to see it together. If I can figure out how to get it open. Alright. That'll work. Alright, so very nice note from Matt. He's enjoying my journey as a coach. Packing stuff in it. Looks like, it's from his business, Tentacle. A couple of things in here. I'm very excited about this, as you might be able to tell. Lots of paper, good packaging. Now I have things to wrap stuff in. Oh, look at that. A branded, what do you call this? A branded cup with, I would use it as a wine tumbler. It's probably something for hot drinks as well. And some cards. And check this out. Kind of expected he was going to send me a shirt. Oh, it's a lovely shirt. Look at that. Proud to wear it. Great job, Matt and team. This is so exciting. Love the logo. Love the name. Love your brother. And thank you so much for this care package. I look forward to using the cup and everything.